Have you ever said, I will pick you instead of I will pick you up?
Or maybe I wake instead of I wake up.
In English, those small words change everything.
Today, we'll make them feel easy and natural.
Welcome to English Learning Lounge.
A calm place to practice English without pressure.
I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. Before we begin, just a gentle reminder.
You're learning.
And you're doing fine.
And remember, if this podcast feels a little fast for you, you can always slow the video down.
That's not cheating, that's learning. Today, we're going to talk about phrasal verbs, but not the boring, long grammar way, the fun, story-based, easy-to-remember way.
Okay, Sarah, let's talk about a normal day. My morning is, well, a little chaotic.
Let's slow down and walk through it. What's the first thing that happens?
My alarm clock rings, so I wake up.
Wake up. A great place to start. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Right.
This means you stop sleeping, your eyes open.
Exactly. I turn off the alarm. But I don't get up right away. I stay in bed for a few minutes.
Ah, a very important difference. Get up. I get up after I read the news. To get up means to leave your bed.
So you can wake up, but not get up.
Exactly. First you wake up, then you get up. Let's pause here for a moment. What time do you wake up? Think about it for 5 seconds. Good. Thinking in English is practice. So, Mike, you finally get up. What's next?
I need to put on my clothes.
Put on. This is a useful one. I put on a sweater when it's cold.
Right. It just means to wear clothes.
Yes, you put on your shirt, your shoes, your jacket.
And then I see the time and I realize I'm late, so I have to hurry up.
Ah, yes. To hurry up, to move faster.
Okay, I'm dressed, I'm ready, time to go out.
Go out. This means you leave your house. For example, I need to go out to buy some milk.
But wait, I can't find my keys. I need to look for my keys.
Oh no. To look for something means to search for it. Where are they, Mike?
I don't know, and I'm running out of time.
Running out of time, a great phrase. It means you have very little time left.
Found them. Okay, now I can go out. But first, I have to pick up some coffee on my way to work.
Okay, pick up. I need to pick up my friend from the airport.
That makes sense.
This means to collect someone or something. You pick up a person or you pick up a coffee.
Okay, so I'm out of the house, I'm at work, and guess who I see?
Who?
An old friend from college. I run into him in the street.
Oh, how nice. Run into. I ran into my old teacher at the supermarket.
It means to meet someone unexpectedly, right? By surprise.
Exactly. We're not in a hurry. These words are just part of the story.
So at work, I have a big project. I have a problem I need to find out how to solve.
To find out, that means to discover information.
Right. So I ask for some help from my boss.
To ask for something is to request it. Good idea.
And together we deal with the problem.
Deal with. This is a very common one. I have to deal with a lot of emails every day.
Yeah, it means to manage a situation or a problem.
It was a difficult project. Did you want to give up?
A little. To give up means to quit, to stop trying, but I didn't.
That's great. It's also good to know a common mistake here. Sometimes people say, I look my keys, but we need that small word, for. I look for my keys.
Ah, yes. I look for them. That makes sense.
Take your time with these, one idea at a time.
Okay, so the workday is finished. I come back home.
Come back. To return to a place. He will come back tomorrow.
When I come back home, I'm tired. The first thing I do is take off my shoes.
To take off, yes. The opposite of put on. You take off your jacket when you come inside.
Then I sit down on the sofa.
You sit down. You relax. And what do you do to relax?
I turn on the television.
Turn on. This means to start a machine, like a TV or a light. Please turn on the music.
My day was busy, so I need to calm down.
Calm down. This is a wonderful one. It means to become relaxed and quiet. I listen to soft music to calm down.
Watching a movie helps me calm down, and after a while, I start to feel very sleepy and I fall asleep.
To fall asleep. To begin sleeping, often by accident on the sofa.
Yes, that's my day.
But what about the evenings when you don't fall asleep on the sofa? What happens then?
That's a good question. Sometimes I decide to eat out.
It's always about food with you, Mike. That was a day full of phrasal verbs. Let's do a gentle recap. Just listen, no pressure.
Okay.
Wake up. Get up. Put on. Go out. Run into. Deal with. Calm down.
They all sound so natural in a story.
That's the secret. A small challenge for you today. Try to use just one of them. Maybe you will turn on some music or pick up a coffee.
Remember to be patient. Learning takes time.
If you enjoyed our calm space today, please think about subscribing. It helps us create more lessons like this.
And always remember.
Calm English is confident English.
Goodbye, everyone.